Hello guys, so if you're looking to access borrow and use borrow on Cash App, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply click on the balance icon at the bottom left corner, then scroll down and click on borrow. So in my previous video I've shown you how to get the access to borrow. So after you get the access to borrow, just simply click on it. Now as you can see, I have a current limit of $200, so I can borrow up to $200 from Cash App. And as you can see in my last repaid, which is on 26th June, I paid $175 back. So that is what I borrowed. Now if I click on the eye icon on the limit, so you will be able to see that how the limit system works. So what it means, how the limit is decided for everyone. It is based upon how many times you are using it, how many times you are keeping the money inside the Cash App application, and how frequently you are paying the loan back. So considering all the three factors, they will decide your limit in Cash App. So after you get the limit, all you have to do is just simply click on borrow, enter your desired amount. So I will just simply go with 200 entirely. So click on 200. Now over here, as you can see, the amount is 200 and a 5% flat fee, which is $10. So $210. It will also show you the last due date for repaying the loan that I'm taking, which is August 19. So after that, just simply click next. Now over here, it will show you a weekly repayment schedule. So if you want to use it, you can use that. But for me, I'll just simply pay it at once. So for doing that, click on change repayment schedule and choose all at once. So that is my preference. It may be different for you, so you can choose any other option if you want to. So for me, I will just simply pay it all at once. So choose that option, then click next. Then again, it will show you all the settings that you just did. So click on next again. Now it will do a review. So now over here, what you do is simply scroll down till the bottom and click next. And after that, it's done. The $200 is now borrowed from Cash App and is available in your Cash App application. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.